Sampaloc, Manila.
Chris Brown.
Chris Brown?
Yo, what's up? What's up, man? How you doing, bro?
Parang si Boogie lang eh.
Yeah, Chris Brown, man, why don't you come over here?
Pati yung
Yung swag niya, yung swag.
Basta mukha mo pag walang cap.
Kasi Kuya Jamie. Listen, Chris, you just released your new album entitled X, and Rihanna was supposed to be a part of this, but was taken. Huwag nyo lang ako ano yung sa size ng But obviously Rihanna didn't support, and she didn't take the project. Now, we heard she doesn't want to do it because you guys are really not in good terms.
Bad girl, Riri.
So my question is, who dyed your hair? Huh? It's me.
From a box?
It's me. Do you
Galing mo, ah.
if you had something to say to Rihanna, what would you want to say to her right now?
Rihanna, if you watch.
Moses Michael Jackson. World War Z, panoorin niyo po. Ade, sige.
Yan yung ano, anak ni Pokwang yung isda.
Ariana.
Ariana.
My bad, Chris. My bad. We're just having a good time.
What are you gonna tell Rihanna?
Yeah, what's up, man?
Rihanna.
Stoy, pasalita ka
Sorry. Rihanna, I'm so sorry for what I did to you last time.
Bisaya ka, Mandong. Sino-joke lang kami. I'm sorry, what you do? I'm sorry, Mandong.
Go. We're all listening. We all want to hear, especially because I'm a big fan of Rihanna, so I want to hear what you have to
Rihanna,
say to her.
mukha mo, dong.
You heard her. What have you got to say?
Sorry, go ahead.
What are you gonna tell her, Rihanna? I'm so sorry.
Rihanna, I'm so sorry for what I did to you last time. I don't know how can I fix our relationship.
Yeah. And what else?
So,
What?
I love you. I'm still waiting for you.
Thank you, Blackjack. Hindi. Ha? Hindi si
No,
Blackjack.
it's Chris Brown.
Sorry, Chris Brown.
Okay, Ivan, it's your time to shine bright like a diamond. Ipakita mo ng toto angle mong pang Chris Brown. Good luck sa iyo.
Yeah, for the people once again from Sampaloc, Manila, let's give it up for Ivan Charles Murphy, a.k.a. Chris Bisaya Brown.
I need you, boo. I gotta see you move. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Come on, with the people, let's get back to the you. And I'm meant to you, girl. Want us with you, with every kiss and every hug. You make me all in love, and now I know I can't be the only one. I made it hearts all over the world tonight. With a love, a little life to feel. Come on, with the people, let's do it. We do.
muna kayo.